Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download and install IMO on PC or laptop. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Microsoft Store on your PC or laptop by searching for it in the Start menu. Once the store is open, use the search bar at the top and type IMO. From the search results, select the official IMO app to proceed with installation. Click on the Install button and wait for the download to be completed. After installation is finished, open the IMO app directly from the Microsoft Store or your desktop. Now, sign in using your phone number and verify it with the code sent to your device. Once verified, your IMO account will be successfully set up on your PC or laptop. You can now start chatting, making voice calls, and video calls directly from your computer. So that's basically how you can download and install IMO on PC or laptop. That's it for this video. Thanks.